Hi everyone and welcome back. So we are just a month away from the launch of upcoming Samsung Galaxy Z Fold 5 and this is everything we know so far regarding Samsung's upcoming foldable. First talking about the design, nothing much has changed here. The inner screen is having the same size of 7.6 inches while outer screen is 6.2 inches having the same aspect ratio as the Galaxy Z Fold 4. We might see a little bit better selfie camera present under the display. Apart from that, display brightness is 1200 nits, which is also same as Galaxy Z Fold 4. On the back, Samsung is going to use about the same cameras like 50, 10 and 12 megapixels. Flash is now relocated to the top. I think it was looking better and symmetrical on Galaxy Z Fold 4. About colors, we have black, cream and a new blue color option for the Galaxy Z Fold 5. Biggest change will be under the hood, and this year phone will be powered by Snapdragon 8 Gen 2 that will be having 19% faster CPU and 25% faster GPU. It will be also more efficient, giving slightly better battery life. Talking about battery, it will be also same like last year's 4400 mAh on Galaxy Z Fold 4. There are a few things that will be better on Galaxy Z Fold 5. First of all, this will be the first ever Z Fold to have dust resistance. That means now your Galaxy Fold will be having less issues while opening and closing it. Also, the phone will be able to close without any gap between the hinge. Right now the Galaxy Z Fold 4 has a bit of gap when you close it. Further, speakers will be having better sound quality and overall durability of the phone will be enhanced this year. Phone will be also 10 grams lighter in weight than last year's Galaxy Z Fold 4. To be honest, this is the least exciting Z Fold Samsung has ever made. There is literally no major change when comparing with the Galaxy Z Fold 4. Samsung might reduce the price of Galaxy Z Fold 5 a bit, around $100 less, but still Galaxy Z Fold 4 will be a better deal if it is available for half the price of Galaxy Z Fold 5. What are your thoughts on this year's Galaxy Z Fold? Do let me know your feedback in the comment section. And with that being said, I'll catch you guys in the next one. Until then, bye bye.